All right. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. I do greatly appreciate it. This is, of course, Unbox and Chill. It's that time of month where we do have our Watch Gang subscription watch. And this one's for the month of August 2020. So we're going to see what that's about. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to see what it entails. We'll look at the website specs and everything. If you're watching this video, then you saw my new intro. I do have a new intro here. It's just a little simple animation I put together with just kind of some chill music, just to kind of get you into the vibe of Unbox and Chill. So let me know what you think. Drop your opinion in the comment section below. It started in the last video. This is like literally the second video to have it. I didn't even have an animation before, so I don't know. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me get my desk ready here so we can get set up for the unboxing. And I do want to say we're moving along nicely. I think we crossed over 360 subscribers. Just be the cool guy, be the cool girl, hit that subscribe button. We've got a nice community growing here, people who like to see some cool stuff unboxed. It's primarily a watch channel, but we will have some other things on here as well. Occasionally. So, like I said, be the cool guy, hang out with me. We got a giveaway lined up at 500 subscribers. Let's get there so I can mail somebody something really cool, okay? All right, so we'll do a wristwatch check and we'll get into the unboxing, okay? This is my Hamilton Khaki Navy Sub. As you see the H links there. But yeah, it's just my Hamilton that I like to wear from time to time. One of my favorite pieces. I got it maybe a month ago or so, I want to say. There is a unboxing video of this particular watch on the channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check that out. Nice Hamilton piece. So, nice quality Hamilton piece. So, one of my faves. Now, let's get down to today's unboxing. This is what we got here. So, as you can see, this is the Lucien Piccard. Okay, and I've got to say right off the bat that I am not particularly familiar with this brand. I've never heard of Lucien Piccard, but we're going to learn today, okay? Let's pop this open. So now here is the user manual. Okay, so of course this just probably has your warranty information and all your instructions in terms of how to operate the watch. Typical standard fare. And I will say off the bat, I really do like this chocolate brown. Whatever this chocolate brown color is, does look really cool. Let's open this up, and as you can see, the inside of the box is kind of nice too, with some nice details at this particular price point. Keep in mind, guys, this is the original tier for Watch Gang, so this was about $50 to have sent out. We've got the watch on the pillow, and here she is in all her glory. So now, I'm not entirely sure what this model is called. It appears to have been purged from their website. I think I found it on like another seller, but in terms of their actual website, I can't find it anywhere. But this is Lucien Piccard, and one of the things on their tagline here, before I kind of get into the pieces, it says, "A modern tale of classic luxury." I can definitely see that here. So, it does kind of look like a classic dress watch, and just that, it's got that fluted bezel, you see the sunburst dial and everything. It does appear to be kind of look like a classic dress watch. The only difference is, in terms of the modern take on it, this watch is pretty big. So let's try it on, and I'll get into that, okay? Well, real quick, you've got the sign buckle. The leather doesn't feel terrible. You've got the back here, which does have which does have their logo on it. But let me try it on, and I want to get into showing you what I mean by the modern take on classic luxury, which is what their tagline is. So bear with me. I'm slightly off camera, guys, but I am just buttoning up the watch. That's what I'm doing now. So I want you to see it on my wrist. And keep in mind, if you watch this channel, you know that my wrists are huge. So I have pretty big wrists. So now let's take a look here. This watch is big. It's a so this is a dressier piece here, and I will say that my only dress watch is actually, it's the first automatic watch I bought. It's a Orient Bambino Open Heart, And that watch is like 40 millimeters, and it slides under the cuff nicely. This particular watch is like 45 millimeters, so it's huge. To me, it's pretty big, even on me, and I'm a big guy, okay? So this is one of those things where, oh, looks like I got a notification. But this is one of those things where this watch is so big, I'm not entirely sure it will slide under your dress shirt here. It is huge. So I think this is going to be one of those ones where it's a dressier piece, but it's more of a dressier piece that you're going to wear on the weekends, maybe with a polo shirt, maybe you got the loafers on, maybe you got the khaki shorts on, you know. I think it's that kind of a vibe, basically. I don't think this is the vibe of, wearing it with a dress shirt, that kind of thing, just because it is so honking big, you know? Let me know what you think. 45 for a dress watch. I recently did a video, and I'll leave that in the description as well, asking how big was too big for a watch. I had a lot of guys come out and tell me that they they got some 50, 60, and I think there was even a 72 millimeter watch. That is pretty large. Obviously, these are not all dress watches, but in terms of, which I'm curious, let me know in the comment section below, in terms of specifically a dress watch, what's your size? Like I said, for me, it's got to be 40 millimeters, maybe 42 max. And some guys will even tell you it should be 38 or 39 in terms of specifically a dress watch. This one is huge. I mean, this is a dinner plate. So, like I said, I think it's more of a casual dressy, like dressy casual versus dressy. So, let's look at the website here. We'll get out of here, guys. So we're not gonna belabor the point here, though. Let's pull up the website. So again, this watch appears to have been purged from their website. I can't find anything about it, but I was able to find it on mainspring.com. So I don't know what that is. It's some kind of a retailer that sells this. But that's the model number there. This is the exact color that we have. Okay, so blue with the nice fluted bezel and the sunburst style. Now let's scroll down here. We'll get a little shot of the specs here, so you guys can pause and look at that if you want to. You can see the size. You see it's a typical Japanese movement, just a basic quartz movement here. You can see the water resistance, the band size, all that sort of stuff here. Just very basic information for you. Again, this is an affordable watch. It doesn't have any super crazy, insane specs or anything like that. But overall, like I said, not a bad piece in terms of just being able to throw on the weekends. Definitely one of those watches I would wear to the theme park because I wouldn't care what happened to it walking around out there. But thank you guys so much for stopping in. I do appreciate it. If you can hear my voice, hit that subscribe button. This is our Watch Gang watch for the month of August, the original tier subscription. So again, give me your unvarnished opinion in the comment section below. Thank you so much for checking it out. Goodbye.